Okay, this is the Professor, CBMJ PhD. Today's Tuesday, October 24th, 2023. It is 2:57 and 59 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, solar eclipse. So let's jump to it here. Researchers capture first images of radio thing of fire, solar eclipse. Dates October 23rd, 2023. Source, New Jersey Institute of Technology. The eclipse was partially visible to much of the continental U.S. for several hours that Saturday, though the full ring of fire effect was only visible for less than 5 minutes, and only for those within its 25-mile wide path of angularity. However, the new observations of the radio sun's eclipse, much longer duration than the partial eclipse recently experienced by millions on Earth due to the extended solar corona as seen in radio wavelengths, have yielded stunning images of the eclipses, rings lasting for over an hour. And to see a ring of fire eclipse this way was spectacular. I haven't seen this quality of radio imaging of the sun before. I normally cannot see the corona from the ground except during a total eclipse, but I can now see it all at the same time. With OVRO, LWA, this eclipse makes it that much more dramatic. And from their observatory site in California, they were not in the bill to see the annular eclipse, yet they've been able to see it all clearly unfold in radio, which reveals a much larger solar disk than its visible counterpart, thanks to its sensitivity to the extended solar corona. And science-wise, this is a unique opportunity to study the sun's extended corona with the highest resolution possible at these wavelengths, taking advantage of the moon's limb as a moving knife edge to increase the effective angular resolution. And for solar science, it offers the highest quality images into the radio sun in this wavelength regime, which is roughly 2 times larger than the visible solar disk. And documenting this spectacular event was a great opportunity to announce the successful operation of OVRO LWA as a new radio facility to study the sun and many other objects, including exoplanets, cosmic rays, the early universe, and more. While the next annular solar eclipse is expected to be visible from South America in October 2024, those in the U.S. will need to wait until June 2039 to view the next ring of fire eclipse on home soil. However, a total eclipse visible across the central U.S. will occur sooner, next April 8th. However, the team say the recent eclipse event is an outstanding example of the first observations of the sun with the instrument. With the new capabilities, OVRO LWA offers exciting science is expected in the near future, particularly as solar activity of the current 11-year solar cycle peaks in 2025 during the expected solar maximum. They are now working on an automated data processing pipeline that will soon produce near real-time solar images and make them available to the public. These eclipse images serve as a proof of concept for this effort. The unprecedented data products coming soon will open new opportunities for discovery in solar astronomy and space weather studies. And this is the Professor, Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.